गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने क्लास 10 की प्रॉपर्टी चैप्टर्स के कुछ क्वेश्चंस देखे थे, थ्योरी देखी थी। उसके बाद के कुछ क्वेश्चंस हम कार्ड्स के देखेंगे, डाइस के देखेंगे, कॉइंस के देखेंगे। सो लेट्स टेक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज a card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is neither a red card nor a queen. So let me write. Question is, a card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is neither a red card nor a queen. In last video I told you cards 52, total number of cards 52. There are two branches, red card and black card. Black card. Okay. Total number of red cards 26. Total number of black card is 26. क्वेश्चन में बोल रहा है कि फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द कार्ड ड्रॉन इज नाइदर रेड। बोल रहा है कि कार्ड रेड होना नहीं चाहिए, तो ये रेड कार्ड स्किप करेंगे हम इसको, रेड कार्ड को। नॉट क्वीन, रेड कार्ड हमने स्किप कर दिया, नॉट क्वीन। अब इसमें हमें देखना है ब्लैक कार्ड में टू ब्रांचेस होती है, यू नो, स्पेड एंड club. So in respect to 13 cards and club 13 cards. So 13 cards में one queen होती है and club में भी one queen होती है. That means two queen को भी हमें skip करना है. 26 and 2 28. So remaining outcomes, number of outcomes equals to 52 minus 26 minus 2. That means 52 minus 28. So 12 and 4, 4 to 2. Remaining cards 24. Total number of cards equals to 52. So probability event is equals to 20 number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. Number of outcomes is 24. Total number of outcomes is 52. We can divide 2 1 2 2 and 2 2 2 6 One more time we can divide 2 6 and 2 13. So the final answer is 6 by 13. You can note on your notebook. Okay, next question is question number 2. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting an egg, 2 of spade, 10 of black suit. So let me write. Question number second. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of drawing number one and egg, number two of a spade, number three, 10 of a black suit. Okay, let's see. First question is an egg. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of drawing number one an egg, number two of spade, number three 10 of black suit. So let me write chart one more time. Red 26, black 26. Heart 14, diamond 14, club 13, spade 13. Okay. So king, queen, jack, egg, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. King, queen, jack, egg, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. King, queen, jack, egg, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. King, queen, jack, egg, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. First condition is an egg. So number of eggs in the 52 cards 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's take first an egg. Number of favorable outcome equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 is equals to 4. Total number of outcome equals to 52 cards, 52. So probability event is equals to number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. That means O by 52. 2 2s are 2 26 and 2 30s are 1 by 14. First question an egg is equals to 1 by 13. Now 2 of spade cards. Let me erase. Two of spade cards. Question number second. 2 of spades cards. Okay, स्पेड 2 ऑफ स्पेड इसमें बोल रहा है कि 2 नंबर स्पेड कार्ड के स्पेड्स कार्ड के 2 नंबर्स को अब की प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करेंगे। स्पेड में आप देख रहे हो कि 2 वन टाइम आया है तो इसका नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम इक्वल्स टू 1 हो जाएगा ना। टोटल कार्ड्स कितने हैं यहाँ पे total number of cards equals to 52. Done. Total number of cards 52. Favorable outcomes 1. So probability event is equals to 1 by 52. This is your final answer for 2 of expect cards. Now last question is 10 of a black suit. 10 of a black suit. Let me erase. A black suit. So number of outcomes, number of favorable outcomes equals to number of favorable outcomes 10 of the black suit. Black suit, ये देखो ये black suit है 26 है ना black suit. 10 number black suit में कितने times आएगा 2 times. In a spade, sorry, in club and in spade 1 time. 1 time in spade, 1 time in club. So 1 1 2. So number of favorable outcomes equals to 2. And total number of outcomes as it is 52. Total number of outcomes is equals to 52. Now probability event is equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So probability event is equals to number of favorable outcome is 2 and total number of outcome is 52. That means 2 by 52. We can divide 2 1 ja, 2 2 2 6 1 by 26. So 10 of a black suit, the final outcome of 10 of black suit is 1 by 26. Okay, let's see one more question for this video. Okay, next question is related to coins. So let me write 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting number 1 2 head, number 2 at least 1 head, number 3 no head. ओके, क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि 2 कॉइन्स फेंके गए, उनकी प्रॉपर्टी फाइंड करनी है, कुछ कंडीशंस दी गई है, 2 हेड्स की प्रॉपर्टी फाइंड करनी है, एटलीस्ट कम से कम 1 हेड की प्रॉपर्टी फाइंड करनी है एंड नो हेड की प्रॉपर्टी फाइंड करनी है। 2 कॉइन्स लेते हैं, 1 कॉइन एंड 2 कॉइन्स, हेड टेल फॉर्मूला मैंने बताया था आपको, 2 कॉइन दैट मींस 2 power 2 equals to 2 into equals to 4। फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, 2 पॉइंट्स के लिए 2 पावर है, यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट्स है तो n इज इक्वल्स टू 2 हो जाएगा, 2 पावर 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2 इक्वल 4। तो नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स कितने हैं आपके 4 है। इसके आउटकम्स लिख लेते हैं, हेड टेल, टेल हेड, टेल टेल and last one head. So 4 outcomes, head tail, tail head, tail tail and last head head. First condition is 2 heads. 2 heads आपको इसमें देखने हैं कि कौन सा ऐसा ब्रैकेट है जिसमें 2 heads है। I think this one, head and head, 2 heads है। So number of outcome, question number first question, number of outcomes, number of favorable outcomes equals to 1. Total number of outcomes, total number of outcomes equals to 1 2 3 4 4. Okay, so probability event number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes, number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes equals to 1 by 4 is your final answer. Now second question, at least listen very carefully, at least one head, कह रहा कम से कम एक हेड होना चाहिए, तो कम से कम एक हेड इसमें भी है और इसमें भी वन हेड, कम से कम एक हेड तो है यहाँ इसमें। तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स कितने होंगे 3। So let's pick up second question. Question number 2, at least one head. So second number of favorable outcomes equals to 3. Number of favorable outcomes is 3. So total number of outcomes equals to 1 2 3 4. Total outcomes 4. So probability event for at least one head equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay. So probability event is equals to 3 by 4 is your final answer for question number 2. Now let's see question number 3. No head, that means no head. No head का मतलब ऐसा बॉक्स, ऐसा ब्रैकेट जिसमें कोई हेड हो ही ना। You can see TT, टाइटल, इसमें हेड तो है ही नहीं, तो नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम कितने हो जाएंगे 1। So let's see how to solve. Let's see. Number of question number 3, no head. Okay. Number of favorable outcomes equals to 1. Okay. Total number of outcomes is equals to 1 2 3 4. So total number of outcomes is 4 and number of favorable outcomes is 1. So let me apply the formula. Probability is equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay, so number of favorable outcome is 1 and total number of favorable outcome is 4. So here is your answer. The Final answer for no heads equals to 1/4. You can note down on your notebook. Some more questions we will see in next video. For today, thank you very much.